Yes, you always go from the curve out, and here you go in to the middle, and then from that side. So you go.
From the foundation, the video starts taking down the tree.
Center line.
Okay, there's another one.
Oh, I thought that the vertical one.
The vertical one, yeah, we will turn it and then just with the level.
But eyeball.
Now where should we go now? The first.
Just don't have a hole
What
yet.
is this a bit too much? Besari, Besari, the name of